Welcome to MathsFunKids. Today we'll be looking at another set of two questions. The question number 1 is calculate the area of a circle whose radius is 7 cm. Take pi equal to 22/7. Second question is find the area of a rectangle of length 12 cm and breadth 10 cm. Now let's look at the first question. The first question is talking about circle. Okay, the radius is a line from the center of a circle to any part of the circumference. You can say that divide the circle. Radius is a line from the center of a circle to any part of the circumference. So this side is 7 cm. The formula to calculate the area of a circle is a pi r squared. So they have given us the radius, which is 7 cm. Then they said we should use 22/7 for pi. So we have a 22/7 multiplied by this 7 appears twice. 7 cm multiplied by 7 cm. We have 22 multiplied by 7 cm multiplied by 7 cm over 7. 7 we cancel 7. We are left with 22 cm multiplied by 7 cm. 22 times 7 will give us 154. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter will give us centimeter squared. That's the final answer for question number 1. For question number 2, the question is talking about rectangle. A rectangle is like this. The shape of this board is what? Is a rectangle. Now the length is 12 cm. The breadth is 10 cm. The area is length times breadth, and therefore 12 cm multiplied by 10 cm. 12 times 10, I've told you before that to multiply by 10 or by 100 is very simple. Just take this 0, add it to this 12, it becomes 120 centimeter squared. We have come to the end of today's teaching. So in our next teaching, we shall also be looking at 2 or more questions from Neco past questions. Thank you very much.